Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Rouse, back in the building with another one. And right now we got another super sexy unboxing for y'all. You know what I mean? So let's get into it. Oh man, here we go. Once again, Tag Hoya in the building. All right, good folks, here we go. Once again, it's on. It's your boy Pete Rouse coming with the super sexy unboxing right now. You know what I'm saying? Let's check out this Longines, though. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into it, yo. You know what I mean? Here's the box. You know, it's kind of like a smooth, like leather type material. And there we go. There she is. The Longines HydroConquest. But, you know, look at the box. It's kind of fly. You know what I mean? But here she go. The Longines HydroConquest. You know what I mean? Let's get some of this paper up off of here right quick. Here's the card with all of the pertinent information, instruction manual, and here's the freaking watch. Wait, we still got some more plastic on here. Okay. All right. And here's the watch right here. Yo, this is definitely great for the collection, yo. Check it out. Let's listen to that bezel action. Ooh, that sounds so nice. Yo. Yo, that sounds so nice. Sapphire crystal, black dial, 39 millimeter in diameter. You know what I'm saying? Like, this thing is the bomb right here. So let's get into it. We're gonna size it, put it on the wrist, you know what I mean? And we're gonna check it out. Yo, here it go on the wrist. Perfectly set up. I only had to take like 2 links out of it. Oh, we still got some blue plastic on there, but we'll get that off in a second. But ain't that fly, yo? This is the Longines HydroConquest. You know what I mean? This thing is extra fly. Yo, I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video, you know what I'm saying, of this Longines HydroConquest. You know, get into it, y'all. Tell me what y'all think down in the comments. Peace, and we up out of here.